The Monetary Policy Committee sitting for the third meeting this year. It was highly anticipated the committee would for the first time tend towards a more relaxed monetary policy, but those expectations may be too early for now. The committee retained its long-standing key lending rate at 14%. Cash reserve ratio too was kept at 22.5% and liquidity ratio 30%. Nigeria is heading into elections next year, and huge sums of money is expected to be spent by politicians. The committee fears the election expenditure, combined with implementation of the $24 billion budget, could increase cash in circulation and negatively affect the economy.
The impact of excess liquidity that could arise from the implementation of the approved 9.1 trillion naira 2018 federal government budget, pre-election spending, anticipated review of salaries and wages, security challenges, and monthly FAC injections. These could boost aggregate demand, but would equally exert an upward pressure on domestic prices for the rest of the year.
Nigeria's economic fundamentals have been quite progressive lately. Inflation has fallen for the past 17 months. It now stands at 11.23%. The economy, favored by rising crude oil prices, grew by 1.95% in the first quarter. It's expected to grow at a faster rate. And most economists here think it's time for the bank to make some marginal adjustments.
Maintaining a stringent monetary policy at this particular period of time is a contradiction of their intention. It's an direct opposite of what they intend to achieve with that policy. So not at this period that such is needed. This is a period where we need to stimulate economic growth, when we need to reduce unemployment, when we need to reduce inflation. Stringent economic policy cannot achieve all of this.
From the surface, all seems to be looking good for Nigeria's economy. But the reality is most of the gains are still fragile. More especially, the key driver of the economy, oil prices, is barely controlled by Nigeria. Same is the case of expenditure by politicians during elections and other risk factors associated with elections. Kelechi Emekalam, CGTN Abuja, Nigeria.